Yes, people, welcome to a new review and comparison between two money apps. And these money apps are MoneyGram versus PayPal. MoneyGram and PayPal are both well-known platforms for sending and receiving money internationally. In this review, we will compare these two services in terms of their features, fees, exchange rates, ease of use, and overall performance to help you decide which one is the best suited for your specific financial needs. We're gonna start with MoneyGram. Features of MoneyGram are a global network. MoneyGram operates a vast network of physical locations, making it accessible for both senders and receivers. Cash pickup. Recipients can collect funds in cash from MoneyGram agent locations in many countries. Fast transfers. MoneyGram offers options for expedited transfers, allowing you to send money quickly. Well, what are some pros? Wide accessibility. MoneyGram's physical locations make it convenient for individuals who prefer in-person transaction or those in regions with limited online banking access. Cash pickup. MoneyGram's cash pickup option is valuable for recipients who need immediate cash access to funds. Reliability. MoneyGram has a long established reputation as a reliable money transfer service. Well, what are the cons of MoneyGram? Higher fees. MoneyGram tends to have higher fees compared to some online money transfer services. And exchange rates. The exchange rates offered by MoneyGram may not always be as favorable as those provided by digital remittance providers. Well, PayPal. Online or global reach. Some features. Global reach. PayPal is widely accepted globally and can be used for various financial transactions beyond money transfers. Online and app-based. PayPal offers a user-friendly online platform and mobile app for convenient money transfers. Currency conversion. PayPal can automatically convert funds into the recipient's currency. Well, what are the pros? Versatility. PayPal services are both a money transfer service and a popular payment method for online purchases. Broad acceptance. Many business and individuals around the world use PayPal, making it easy for recipients to access their funds. Well, and some security. The pros security is very important because PayPal provides robust security measures to protect your transactions. Cons. Well, there are some higher fees. PayPal fees for international money transfers can be higher than those specialized remittance services like Wise or TransferWise. Variable exchange rates. PayPal's exchange rates may not always be as favorable as those offered by dedicated currency exchange platforms. So the fees are more high than some other money transfer services. Well, the conclusion, guys. What's the conclusion of this comparison? Both MoneyGram and PayPal have distinct advantages and disadvantages. Your choice should be depend on your specific needs and preferences. MoneyGram may be a better option when accessibility and cash pickups are essential, especially in regions with limited online banking infrastructure. On the other hand, PayPal offers a versatility and ease of use for various financial transactions, but it may come with slightly higher fees. Consider factors such as the countries you need to send money to, the preferred method of transfer, cash pickup versus digital of course, and your willingness to pay for convenience when deciding between MoneyGram and PayPal. Ultimately, your decision should align with your individual requirements for international money transfer services. So guys, PayPal some higher fees, but they can be used for web shops as well. So This was it. Hope you learned something about those two money apps. Hope to see you in the next video. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and wish you a very pleasant day. Thank you. Bye bye.